Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on reducing queue time in call centers. Queue time is one of the most visible pain points for customers and one of the most closely watched metrics by operations and workforce leaders. Long waits frustrate customers, increase abandon rates, and add pressure on agents, while shorter waits create a smoother experience and drive higher satisfaction. In this presentation, we'll explore a practical, structured guide to reducing queue time. We'll look at traditional methods like accurate staffing, smart scheduling, and process simplification, alongside AI-powered strategies such as predictive call routing, real-time agent assist, and virtual assistants. By combining proven operational practices with the latest in AI-driven innovation, call centers can cut wait times, boost efficiency, and transform customer experience. Let's dive in. One of the most effective levers for reducing queue time is workforce optimization. The first step is accurate forecasting and scheduling. By analyzing historical call data, workforce management teams can predict demand patterns more precisely. This allows them to schedule additional agents during peak hours and introduce flexible shift options to avoid both understaffing and overstaffing. A well-matched schedule ensures that customers are not left waiting unnecessarily, while resources are used efficiently. Another key strategy is cross-training agents. When agents are skilled in handling multiple call types, calls are less likely to pile up in specialized queues waiting for limited resources. This flexibility ensures a smoother flow of traffic across the center, reducing bottlenecks and improving first contact resolution. The overall impact of workforce optimization is clear: faster call handling, reduced wait times, and stronger service level compliance. In essence, it balances customer expectations with operational efficiency. Another powerful way to reduce queue time, or at least the frustration it causes, is through queue management techniques. One of the simplest yet most effective strategies is estimated wait time announcements. By informing callers of how long they are likely to wait, the contact center sets realistic expectations. This transparency reduces uncertainty and helps customers feel more in control, even if they must hold for a few minutes. A second technique is virtual hold or callback options. Instead of making customers wait on the line, the system allows them to keep their place in the queue, hang up, and automatically receive a call back when it's their turn. This approach eliminates the negative perception of being stuck on hold and dramatically improves the customer experience. Finally, priority queues can be introduced for VIP customers or urgent cases. By giving these callers a fast lane, the center ensures quicker resolutions for high-value interactions while balancing service quality across the broader customer base. The collective impact of these techniques is significant: shorter perceived wait times, lower abandon percentages, and higher customer satisfaction levels. A third lever in reducing queue time lies in process and routing improvements. The first area to focus on is skill-based routing optimization. Calls should be directed to the right agent with the required expertise on the very first attempt. When routing isn't precise, customers face multiple transfers, which not only increases queue congestion but also raises customer frustration. The second technique is overflow routing. If primary queues become full, calls can be intelligently redirected to backup teams, alternate sites, or even partner centers. This ensures that no customer is left waiting unnecessarily when additional capacity exists elsewhere in the network. Finally, simplified IVR menus play a critical role. Long or complex menu trees slow customers down and delay their entry into the queue. Streamlining these options ensures faster access to live agents while maintaining routing accuracy. The combined impact of these improvements is powerful: less congestion in queues, higher first call resolution, and a smoother overall customer journey. A fourth strategy to reduce queue time is through multi-channel and self-service expansion. One of the most effective approaches is the use of chatbots and AI-driven self-service tools. Routine queries, such as balance checks, order status updates, or password resets, can be seamlessly handled by chatbots or AI via self-service menus. This diverts a significant portion of low-complexity calls away from live agents, leaving them free to focus on higher-value interactions. Another complementary method is proactive customer notifications. By sending SMS, email, or app alerts about known issues, like service outages, billing delays, or policy updates, customers are informed before they feel the need to call. This not only reduces unnecessary inbound traffic but also builds trust by showing transparency. The combined effect is clear: lower call volumes, reduced pressure on queues, and shorter wait times for customers who truly need to speak with a live agent. In short, multi-channel and self-service strategies improve both efficiency and the customer experience. The fifth and most transformative lever for reducing queue time is through AI-powered enhancements. First, AI forecasting models use machine learning to detect patterns in historical and real-time data, predicting call surges before they happen. This allows workforce teams to adjust staffing dynamically and prevent bottlenecks. Second, predictive call routing leverages AI to analyze customer intent and instantly connect the caller to the most suitable agent. By reducing transfers and misrouted calls, customers get faster resolutions and shorter waits. Third, real-time queue monitoring powered by AI provides supervisors with instant alerts when queue times exceed defined thresholds. This enables immediate interventions, such as reassigning resources, activating backup teams, or redirecting overflow traffic. And finally, sentiment analysis takes customer experience to the next level. By detecting frustration in real time, even while customers are waiting, AI can escalate these interactions for priority handling before they abandon the call. The overall impact is significant. Intelligent automation improves speed, accuracy, and customer satisfaction simultaneously, making AI not just a support tool but a strategic enabler of operational excellence. The sixth strategy to reduce queue time focuses on agent productivity tools, giving frontline teams the support they need to work faster and smarter. One powerful enabler is Agent Assist AI. By providing real-time guidance, suggested scripts, and quick access to knowledge base articles, Agent Assist shortens call durations and reduces average handle time. Agents no longer have to spend precious seconds searching for answers, which means customers get faster resolutions. Another tool is Automated After-Call Work, or ACW. Instead of agents manually typing call notes, logging details, and updating systems, AI can automatically generate summaries and populate records. This allows agents to move quickly to the next customer without delays. The impact of these tools is clear: more calls handled per agent, shorter customer wait times, and overall higher operational efficiency. When agents are empowered with the right technology, both productivity and customer satisfaction rise together. The seventh and final strategy for reducing queue time is performance monitoring and continuous improvement. At the front line, real-time dashboards give supervisors visibility into critical metrics such as queue time, average speed of answer, and abandon percentage. By monitoring these indicators live, managers can act quickly to prevent service-level breaches, whether by reallocating agents, adjusting routing, or activating overflow resources. Beyond real-time fixes, Root cause analysis ensures that recurring problems are addressed at their source. By investigating periods of high queue time, leaders can determine whether the drivers were staffing shortfalls, routing inefficiencies, or technology bottlenecks. These insights guide more sustainable, long-term solutions. The true value lies in consistency. Continuous monitoring and root cause resolution ensure that improvements are not just temporary fixes, but embedded practices that maintain efficiency, protect service levels, and strengthen the customer experience over time. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.